When it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the biggest complaints that I've been getting lately is that they're not getting the information from the people that they're signing up with or going with as far as the mentor goes. But one thing I would tell you when it comes to affiliate marketing, we got to stop gatekeeping this information. There's a lot of information out there to take in when it comes to affiliate marketing, but we also, as mentors or people who's been in this space for a very long time, we have to help people who are willing to learn this information instead of keeping it to ourselves and holding on to certain parts and charging people more for other parts of the information. We got to stop doing that. We got to be able to be a vessel for other people so they can accomplish their dreams too. Rather it's being retiring from their current job or just doing whatever they want to do with their life. But we got to stop gatekeeping this information. If you need help, you want a mentor that will help you step by step, leave me a comment and I got you.